we have already learned in last lecture to find a root or solution of given quadratic equation by factorization method. आपण मागच्या तासामध्ये दिलेल्या वर्ग समीकरणाची मुळे अवयव पद्धतीने कसे काढतात ती काढण्याची पद्धत उदाहरणासह पाहिलेली आहे. Today we are going to learn to find different type of quadratic equation, solve and to find root or solution of the given quadratic equation by factorization method, and we have to learn the more problems in a problem set 2.2. Next quadratic equation to find the roots or to find solution of the given quadratic equation. Problem numbers 8. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Given quadratic equation is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Here the value of a is equal to root 2 and c is equal to 5 root 2. Product of this AC means root 2 multiply 5 root 2, 5 1 is a 5, and root 2 into root 2 is a root 4. Square root of 4 is a 2, 5 2 is a 10. The product of AC is 10. To find the factor of 10 such that the middle term is a plus 7 and the sum of two factors is 7 plus 7. Here product is a 10. To find the factor of 10 such that 5 2 is a 10. One factor is a 5, second factor is a 2. Here product is a positive, hence their sum is also positive. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Here 7x split into root 2x square plus 5x plus root 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. या दिलेल्या वर्ग समीकरणामध्ये a ची किंमत रूट 2 आहे आणि c ची किंमत 5 रूट 2 आहे. रूट 2 आणि 5 रूट 2 यांचा गुणाकार 5 into 2 10 येतो, प्लस 10 गुणाकार येतो. प्लस 10 चे असे अवयव पाडा की गुणाकार प्लस 10 आला पाहिजे आणि त्यांची बेरीज मध्यम पद चा सहगुणक प्लस 7 आली पाहिजे. प्लस 10 चे फॅक्टर 5 आणि 2 आहेत. 5 plus 2 is a 7 and 5 into 2 is a plus 10. Therefore, root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Here there are two groups. First group is a root 2x square plus 5x and second group is a 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Here in a first group, root 2x square plus 5x plus these two, we can write root 2 into root 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. हे जे दोन आहेत ह्या दोनला आपण वर्गमुळात 2 गुणिले वर्गमुळात 2, कारण यांचा गुणाकार वर्गमुळात 4, 4चं वर्गमूळ 2, म्हणून 2 ला root 2 into root 2 असं आपण लिहू शकतो. Here root 2x square plus 5x, this is the first group, and second group is a root 2 into root 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. In a first group, x take common. Remaining terms in a bracket, root 2x plus 5, plus in the second group, root 2 take common, root 2 in bracket root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. In this equation, two terms root 2x plus 5 root 2x plus 5, two brackets are same, take common, root 2x plus 5, and remaining bracket contain this x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Equating 0 of each bracket, root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus root 2 is equal to 0. To find the value of x, here plus 5 goes on the RHS side, then we get minus root 2x is equal to minus 5, and plus root 2 goes on the RHS side, then we get minus x is equal to minus root 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5. This root 2 goes on the next side, then we get divide x is equal to minus 5 by root 2 and x is equal to minus root 2. Hence, the roots of given quadratic equation are minus 5 upon root 2 and minus root 2. This is the solution of given quadratic equation. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. या वर्ग समीकरणात a ची किंमत रूट 2 आहे आणि c ची किंमत 5 रूट 2 आहे. या दोघांचा गुणाकार रूट 2 इंटू 5 रूट 2, ते 5 वन जा 5, रूट 2 मल्टिप्लाय रूट 2 रूट 4 आणि स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 4 इज अ 2, म्हणून 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Plus 10, middle term of coefficient is a plus 7. मध्यम पदाचा सहगुणक प्लस 7 आहे. प्लस 10 चे असे अवयव पाडा, गुणाकार प्लस 10 आला पाहिजे आणि त्या दोन फॅक्टरची बेरीज प्लस 7 आली पाहिजे. प्लस 10 to factorize 5 into 2 plus 5 plus 2, their sum 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. मग 7x च्या जागी 5x plus 2x हे आपण फॅक्टर्स घेऊ शकतो. रूट 2x स्क्वेअर प्लस 5x plus 2x plus 5 रूट 2 is equal to 0. येथे आपल्याला कॉमन काढण्यासाठी हे जे 2 आहेत, या 2 ला आपण रूट 2 मल्टिप्लाय रूट 2 असं लिहू शकतो आणि म्हणून रूट 2x स्क्वेअर प्लस 5x प्लस रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2x प्लस 5 रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. या दोन पदांचा एक गट रूट 2x स्क्वेअर प्लस 5x, या गटामध्ये x कॉमन निघतो, कंसामध्ये रूट 2x प्लस 5 शिल्लक राहतात, प्लस दुसऱ्या गटामध्ये रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2x प्लस 5 रूट 2, या दोन्ही पदामध्ये रूट 2 आहे, रूट 2 टेक कॉमन, रूट 2 कॉमन निघेल आणि कंसामध्ये रूट 2x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0. या दोन्ही कंसामध्ये पदांची संख्या सारखी आहे, नेमकी 30 पद आहेत. हा कंस पुन्हा एकदा कॉमन घ्या, रूट 2x प्लस 5 आणि उर्वरित कंसामध्ये हा x आणि हा प्लस रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. दोन्ही कंसाला शून्य इक्वेट करा. रूट 2x प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 0 अँड x प्लस रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. रूट 2x मायनस 5 हा प्लस 5 पुढे गेल्यास मायनस 5 होईल. रूट 2x इज इक्वल टू मायनस 5. root 2 goes on the next side, then we get divide x is equal to minus 5 root 2 and x is equal to minus root 2. These are the roots of given quadratic equation. Problem number 9. Given quadratic equation is 6 root 3x square plus 7x is equal to root 3. First, given equation write in a standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This root 3 goes on LHS side, then we get minus. Therefore, 6 root 3x square plus 7x minus root 3 is equal to 0. In this quadratic equation, the value of a is equal to 6 root 3 and c is equal to minus root 3. Their product is 6 into 1 is a 6 and root 3 into root 3, root 9. Square root of 9 is a 3. 6 into 3 is the minus 18. Minus 6 into 3 is equal to minus 18. To find the factor of minus 18 such that the coefficient of middle term is a plus 7. Therefore, minus 18 factorize into 9 minus 2. Their difference is 9 minus 2 is equal to plus 7. या वर्ग समीकरणामध्ये a ची किंमत 6 रूट 3 आहे आणि c ची किंमत मायनस रूट 3 आहे. यांचा गुणाकार मायनस 18 येतो. मायनस 18 च्या अशा अवयव पाडा, गुणाकार -18 येणं आवश्यक आहे आणि त्यांचा फरक मध्यम पदाचा सहगुणक +7 एवढा आला पाहिजे. 9 - 2 हे -18 चे फॅक्टर असतील, त्यांच्यामधला फरक 9 - 2 = 7. Here +7x replaced by +9x - 2x. These are the factors. Then we get 6√3x² + 9x - 2x minus √3 is equal to 0. There are two groups. This 9 we can write as 3√3 into √3. पहा हे जे 9 आहेत, या 9 ला आपण असं लिहू शकतो 3√3 × √3. यांचा जर गुणाकार केला तर तो 9 येतो. हा 3√3 into √3 is √9. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 2x minus √3 is equal to 0. This is the first group. 6√3x² plus 3√3 into √3x. Here 3 and √3 take common. येथे दोन्ही पदामध्ये √3 आहे आणि 3 ची पट संख्या 6 आणि 3 आहे, म्हणून 3√3x या पहिल्या गटामध्ये कॉमन निघेल. इन ब्रॅकेट 2x plus √3. In a second bracket second group -2x minus √3. यांच्यामध्ये काही कॉमन निघत नाही, परंतु जेव्हा काहीच कॉमन नसतो तेव्हा एक कॉमन घेतात. -1 टेक कॉमन. Here 2x minus plus √3 is equal to 0. This bracket is the same. Again take common 2x plus √3. Remaining bracket contain this 3√3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Equating 0 each bracket, 2x plus √3 is equal to 0 and 3√3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here √3 goes on the RHS side, then we get minus 2x is equal to minus √3. Again x is equal to minus √3 by 2. And here -1 goes on next side, then we get +1. Here 3√3 goes on the RHS side, then we get divide x is equal to 1 upon 3√3. Hence, root of given equation are minus √3 by 2 and 1 upon 3√3. These are the solution of given quadratic equation. Write down. First problem in a practice set 2.2. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. x² minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. Here the value of a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 54. 1 into 54 is equal to 54. Product is a 54 and middle term of coefficient is a minus 15. Here to find the factor of 54 such that product is a plus 54 and their sum is minus 15. Here -9 multiply -6, then we get minus plus 54. -9 and -6 are factors of 54. अधिक 54 चे असे अवयव पाडा, गुणाकार तर अधिक 54 आला पाहिजे आणि त्यांची बेरीज मध्यम पदाचा सहगुणक -15 आहे एवढी आली येणे आवश्यक आहे. -9 - 6 is equal to -15. Then -15x split into -6x minus 9x. Therefore, x² minus 6x minus 9x plus 54 is equal to 0. Here in this first group, x² minus 6x, x take common in bracket x minus 6. Second group is -9x plus 54, -9 take common, x minus plus minus 9 6 are 54 is equal to 0. Bracket is the same, take 1 times, take common, x minus 6 remaining bracket x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 6 is equal to 0 and x minus 9 is equal to 0. X minus 6 is equal to 0, then we get x is equal to 6 and x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 9. Hence, x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 9 are roots of the given quadratic equation. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. Given equation is x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Here the value of a is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 20. The product is AC, means 1 into minus 20 is equal to minus 20. To find the factor of minus 20 such that the coefficient of middle term is a plus 1 when their difference is a plus 1. The factor of minus 20 are 5 and minus 4. Their difference 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Hence, plus x split into plus 5x minus 4x. Therefore, x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. Here x take common in bracket x plus 5 minus 4 take common in this group. Then we get x plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 5 multiply x minus 4 is equal to 0, equating 0 to every bracket. X plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5. X minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Minus 5 and 4 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. Here given quadratic equation is 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2 and c is equal to 13. 2 into 13 is equal to 26. And the coefficient of middle term is a 20 plus 27. To find the factor of 26, is the product is a plus 26 and their sum is a 27. Here the factors of plus 26 is a 26 into 1. Therefore, sum of factor 26 plus 1 is equal to 27. Hence, plus 27y split into plus 26y plus y. Therefore, 2y square plus 26y plus y plus 13 is equal to 0. Here in a first group, 2y take common, y plus 13, plus here 1 take common, 1 multiply in bracket y plus 13 is equal to 0. Here in a first bracket y plus 13 is the same, take common y plus 13 and remaining bracket contain 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Equating 0 of each bracket, 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, plus y goes on RHS side, then we get minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1 by 2. And y plus 13 is equal to 0, plus 13 goes on RHS side, then you get minus 13, y is equal to minus 13. Minus 13 and minus 1 by 2 are root of given quadratic equation. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. Here given equation 5m square minus 22m minus 15 is equal to 0. The value of a is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 15. The product of 5 into minus 15 is equal to minus 75. And the coefficient of middle term is a minus 22. Here product is a negative number. To find the factor of minus 75 such that product is minus 75 and difference is a minus 22. वजा 75 चे असे अवयव पाडा, गुणाकार तर वजा 75 आला पाहिजे, परंतु त्यांचा फरक, दोन अवयवांचा फरक हा minus 22 आला येणे आवश्यक आहे. Here minus 75 factors are minus 3 and 25. Their difference minus 3 plus 25 is equal to minus 22. Greater number has a negative sign. Therefore, 5m square minus 3m plus 25m minus 15. Here in a first group, m take common 5m minus 3 plus here 5 take common 5m minus 3. M plus 5 in a first bracket is the same, 5m minus 3. 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, m plus 5 is equal to 0. Plus 5 goes on RHS side, then you get minus. M is equal to minus 5. phi m minus 3 is equal to 0. Here phi m is equal to 3 and m is equal to 3 upon phi. Hence m is equal to minus phi and 3 upon phi are the root of the equation. या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये एक चिन्हामध्ये प्रिंट मिस्टेक झालेली आहे. येथे मध्यम पदात सहगुणक -22 आहे, म्हणून मोठ्या संख्येला 25 ला मायनस चिन्ह पाहिजे आणि 3 ला प्लस चिन्ह पाहिजे, म्हणजेच m मायनस फाय अँड फाय m प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0 होईल. आणि मग m मायनस फाय इज इक्वल टू 0, m इज इक्वल टू 5 अँड फाय m प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0, m इज इक्वल टू -3 अपॉन 5. चिन्हामध्ये थोडासा बदल करा आणि हे दुरुस्त करून घ्या. Phi and minus 3 upon phi are the root of the given quadratic equation. Next problem in practice set 2.2. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. Here 2x square minus 2x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 2x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Here in a constant term, denominator is a 2. Multiply equation 2x square minus 2x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2. Then we get 2 to the 4x square minus 2 to the 4x plus 2 into 1 by 2 to get cancelled. Therefore, plus 1 is equal to 0. In this quadratic equation, the value of a is equal to 4 and c is equal to plus 1. Then 4 into 1 is equal to 4. To find the factor of 4, the coefficient of middle term is a minus 4. Therefore, to find the factor of plus 4 is a product of plus 4 and their sum is a minus 4. Here minus 2 multiply minus 2, then we get plus 4 and their sum, both number has same sign. Their addition minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Hence, therefore, 4x square minus 4x split into minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here in the first group 4x square minus 2x take common, 2x minus 1. And here there is no any common, take minus 1 common. 2x minus plus minus 1 is equal to 0. The bracket 2x minus 1 is the same, take common 2x minus 1 and second bracket is a 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Both brackets are same. Hence 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2. Second bracket is also same. Then we get same roots 1 by 2. Hence 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 are roots of the given quadratic equation. Write down. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Denominator of 6x is the 1. Here cross multiplication, x multiplies 6x is a 6x square minus 1 into 2 is a minus 2. Here denominator x into 1 is a x goes on the RHS side, then you get multiply 1 into x is equal to x. Since 6x square minus 2 is equal to x, this equation write in a standard form. Therefore, 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here the value of a is equal to 6 and c is equal to minus 2. The product of 6 and minus 2 is equal to minus 12. The middle term of coefficient is a minus 1. To find the factor of minus 12 such that product is a minus 12 and their difference is a minus 1. Factors of minus 12 are 3 into minus 4 plus minus 12 is the product and their difference 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Greater number has negative sign, then we get minus 1. Hence minus x split into plus 3x minus 4x. 6x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here first group 6x square plus 3x take common, 2x plus 1. In this group then minus 2 take common, 2x. 2 to the 4, 2x in bracket minus minus plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, both term contain same bracket. Take common 2x plus 1. Remaining bracket is a 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Equating 0 to each bracket, 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 goes on the RHS side, then we get plus. Therefore, 3x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 by 3. And second bracket equating 0 to x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x is equal to minus 1. Hence, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. 2 upon 3 and minus 1 by 2 are roots of quadratic equation. Write down. Next problem in a practice set 2.2. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Here, given quadratic equation is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. The value of a is equal to root 2 and c is equal to 5 root 2. Their product is 5 into 2 is equal to 10. To find the factors of plus 10 is equal to product is a plus 10 and their sum is a 7. The coefficient of middle term is a 7. Root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. In this first group, x take common, root 2x plus 5 plus here root 2 take common, root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here root 2x plus 5 is the common bracket in this equation. Therefore, root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 is equal to 0. To find the value of x, x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2 and x is equal to minus root 2. These are the roots of the given quadratic equation. हे उदाहरण आपण सुरुवातीला पाहिलेलं आहे. ओके. Next problem. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Given quadratic equation is 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2. Here a is equal to 3 and c is equal to 2. Their product is 3 to the 6 plus 6. To find the factor of plus 6 such that their product is a plus 6 and their sum is the middle terms minus 2 root 6. Here minus root 6 and minus root 6, their multiplication is minus minus plus root 6 into root 6 is a root 36. Square root of 36 is a 6. Then minus root 6 minus root 6 is equal to minus 2 root 6. Therefore, factor of plus 6 is a minus root 6 and minus root 6. Their sum is minus root 6 minus root 6 is equal to minus 2 root 6. Minus 2 root 6x split into 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. In this first group, here this 3 root 3x, here root 6 we can write as root 3 multiply root 2. हे पहा root 6 जे आहेत या root 6 ला आपण root 3 multiply root 2 असं लिहिल्यास 3 into 2 root 6 होईल. म्हणजे 3x square minus root 3 into root 2x minus root 3 into root 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here root 3x take common in bracket root 3x minus root 2. Second group take minus root 2 take common minus root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Here root 3x minus root 2, this bracket is the same in a both term take common root 3x minus root 2. Remaining bracket root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, this bracket is the same. Root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0 and root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0, equating 0 in each bracket. Then we get x is equal to root 3 upon root 3 and or x is equal to root 3 upon root 2 upon root 3. These are the roots of given quadratic equation. या वर्ग समीकरणामध्ये ए ची किंमत 3 आहे, सी ची किंमत 2 आहे, 3 2 6 होईल. मग अधिक 6 च्या अशा अवयव पाडा, गुणाकार तर अधिक 6 ला पाहिजे, त्यांची बेरीज मध्यम पदाच्या सहगुणका एवढी -2 रूट 6. या ठिकाणी +6 चे आपण फॅक्टर पाडले -√6 आणि -√6. तर मायनस मायनस प्लस होईल गुणाकारामध्ये, √6 इंटू √6 √36 होईल, 36 चा स्क्वेअर रूट 6 होईल, म्हणजे +6 गुणाकार येतो. आणि -√6 इज इक्वल टू -2√6. आणि जर आपण या ठिकाणी किमती ठेवल्या, आता या ठिकाणी √6 जो आलेला आहे, या √6 ला आपण असं लिहू शकतो √3 मल्टिप्लाय √2 या दोन्ही ठिकाणी, आणि ह्या 2 ला √2 इंटू √2 आणि ह्या 3 ला √3 इंटू √3. असं जर लिहिलं तर आपल्याला कॉमन काढल्यानंतर अशा पद्धतीने हे वर्ग समीकरण सॉल्व करता येईल. राईट डाऊन. Next problem in a practice set 2.2. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. 2m in bracket m minus 20 is equal to 50. First, given equation write in a standard form. 2m multiply each term in a bracket. 2m into m, 2m square minus 2m multiply minus 24 is equal to minus 48m. Plus 50 goes on LHS side, then you get minus 50 is equal to 0. Then required quadratic equation is 2m square minus 48m minus 50 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 50. 2 into minus 50 is equal to minus 100. Product is a minus 100. To find the factor of minus 100 such that product is a minus 100 and coefficient of middle term is minus 48. Therefore, their difference is minus 48. Hence, factors of minus 100 is minus 50 and 2. Their product is minus 100 and their difference minus 50 plus 2 is equal to minus 48. Minus 48m split into minus 50m plus 2m. Then we get 2m square minus 50m plus 2m minus 50 is equal to 0. In a first group, 2m square minus 50m, 2m take common, in bracket m minus 25. Plus second group, 2m minus 50 take 2 common, in bracket m minus 25 is equal to 0. Here m minus 25, m minus 25 again take common. Then we get m minus 25 multiplied 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. 0 equating to each bracket, then we get 2m plus 2 is equal to 0 and m minus 25 is equal to 0. Here 2m plus 2 goes on the next side, then we get minus 2. Minus 2 upon minus 2 is a minus 1. Then we get m is equal to minus 1. And here m minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to 25. Hence, m is equal to minus 1 and m is equal to 25 are roots of the given quadratic equation. Write down. Problem number 10. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. 25m square is equal to 9. Here 25m square is equal to 9. 25 goes on RHS side, then we get divide 9 upon 25. M square is equal to 9 upon 25. On both sides, 9 upon 25 is a perfect square number. Taking square root on both sides, m is equal to square root 9 upon 25. Taking square root 9 and 25, then we get m is equal to plus minus 3 upon 5. Here square of minus 3 upon 5 and plus 3 upon 5 is the same 9 as 25. Whenever any perfect square number has two root minus and plus, therefore square root of 9 upon 25 is equal to plus 3 upon 5 and minus 3 upon 5. Therefore m is equal to plus 3 upon 5 and m is equal to minus 3 upon 5 are root of the quadratic equation. Write down. Problem number 11. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. Given equation is 7m square minus is equal to 21m. 21m goes down LHS side, then we get minus 7m square minus 21m is equal to 0. In both term, 7m take common. In bracket m minus 7 3 are 21. 7m in bracket m minus 3 is equal to 0. 7m is equal to 0 and m minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to 0 upon 7 is a 0 and m is equal to 3. Hence, 0 and 3 are roots of given quadratic equation. Okay. Next problem. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. M square minus 11 is equal to 0. Here m square minus 11 is equal to 0. Minus 11 goes on RHS side, then we get plus. Taking square root on both sides, m is equal to square root 11. Hence, therefore, m is equal to plus root 11 and m is equal to minus root 11 are roots of the quadratic equation. If they print mistake, m is equal to plus root 11 and m is equal to minus root 11 roots of the given quadratic equation. कारण 11चे वर्गमूळ निघत नाही म्हणून m is equal to root 11. For your homework, find the root of following quadratic equation by factorization. First equation, x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Second equation, 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Third quadratic equation, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Fourth quadratic equation for homework, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. And last, fifth quadratic equation, 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. These are 5 quadratic equations for homework.